Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raka Bayu Aji, and today and this is phonology midterm project 2. Tongue twister 1. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. A good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies. Short explanation. 1. Which sounds are being contrasted and their articulation. The contrasting sound in this tongue twister are k and g. K is a voiceless velar plosive and g is a voice velar plosive. They are both produced at the same place of articulation or velar, but g uses vocal cord vibration while k doesn't. 2. Why matters in the meaning. The difference between k and g changes meaning in English. For example, like gods and goats are different words. In this tongue twister, cook and good have different meanings, and mispronouncing them could make a sentence unclear or silly. 3. Difficulties due to your first language. Some learners whose first language do not have both k and g or don't distinguish voicing clearly may confuse them. For example, g may be pronounced like k, making good cook sounds like cook, which can cause misunderstanding. And the next is tongue twister 2. Charming judge cheerfully jump and joke. 2J. Charming judge cheerfully jump and joke. Short explanation. Which sounds are being constructed and their articulation. The key contrast here is between ch as in charming and cheerfully and j as a judge. Ch is a voiceless post-alveolar abbreviate. J is a voiced post-alveolar abbreviate. They both start with a stop and release into a fricative at the same place, but j includes vocal cord vibration while ch doesn't. Why the matter in the meaning? These sounds help distinguish words like cheers, jeers, or chips versus jips. If mispronounced, it can confuse the listener. For example, saying charming judges incorrectly may become charming judges, which is not meaningful. Difficulties due to your first language. Speakers of some languages may not have both aggregates or may not clearly differentiate between voice and voiceless sounds. As a result, j might be replaced with ch or vice versa. For example, saying judge as a judge. And the last one, tongue twister 3. S and Z. Silly zebras shared Zeus and sang soft song. Silly zebras shared Zeus and sang soft song. Short explanation. Which sounds are being constructed and their articulation. The contrast here is between S as a silly, shared, and sung, and Z as in zebras. S is a voiceless alveolar fricative. Z is a voiced alveolar fricative, both in the same place and manner, but Z uses a vocal cord while S doesn't. 2. Why they matter in the meaning. S and Z can change the meaning of word. Zip versus zip, seal versus zeal. Confusion them might lead to misunderstanding. For example, silly zebras could sounds like zilly zebras, which is incorrect. 3. Difficulties to your first language. Some learners might not have the Z sounds in their native language. and might pronounce zebra as zebras. This effect this affect clarity and can make it harder for listeners to understand. That's it. Thank you.